I would like to talk about the impersonal nature of feelings. Now, this seems contradictory because there is literally nothing that feels more personal than feelings. But if they're examined deeply, if they're looked at with deep awareness as to finding the nature of feelings, they really are existing with no self-reference point. We add the self-reference point by saying, I feel this because. And we make a bridge between I and because. And the feeling acts as the river that this bridge is going across. But the feeling itself never belongs to us. It is more like an energy moving through us. And when we recognize this, it can change our perspective of feelings. It actually gives us a handle on them or a way of relating differently to the feelings, because we are no longer owning the feelings, we are no longer being owned by the feelings. The feelings are still existing. As a matter of fact, we're honoring them or acknowledging them in a much more open and clear way, because we are not tangling them up with a story of reasons and personal meanings as to why the feeling is happening. If a feeling is looked at deeply, it is actually just this roaring current of energy that our story clouds up and tangles us in this current. When we can see the nature of the feeling, it's almost like having a raft. We can ride the current and we're no longer being carried or pushed around by it. So I would encourage you to look deeply at the nature of feelings and always ask yourself, who is feeling this? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like us and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified for when we post new videos. We really would encourage you to ask any questions that you have. We would love to answer them and address them in any way possible. And we will talk to you soon. And remember, stay focused on the question.